back to my channel. My name is Nara Crystal, and today I am going to trading Dodo and T-Rex for any good officer. So let's see what they are officer for it and who guys I am going to giving a legendary but after. I don't know if they believe in me or not. But just let's see if people kind for us or they want our officer. Okay, right now I am in reserve. I don't know why I joined a reserve. Yeah, I don't know actually. But what is this? What are you doing? Oh my god. Someone is a Harry Potter? Oh my god, why are you Harry Potter but you look so strange, yo? He has. Oh my god. I don't know anyways. Actually guys, I don't know why everyone right now doesn't want for Dodo or for T-Rex for a parrot or froze anymore. I don't know why, but when it first come from, everyone just said turtle or anything for T-Rex. They just try anything, but right now they just said it's not fair under. They said T-Rex is a very very bad legendary. Oh my god, then can you get that in only one? Can you? But I don't know why they're hating so much of it. Oh, I don't think that they hate. I think they already have a lot, that's why they are not wanted. I think I don't have to in the server. It's not for with me. But I can join with my Rose Dragon or my Mega Turtle to join them to see what they are offer for us. Yeah, I'm just kind of bored. Let me see some offer. Someone just trading Shadow. I'm gonna trade him Dragon Newbie. Someone actually trade me though. I am gonna add this for a Shadow Dragon. I don't know that if it's a fair trade because I'm just trying to get 2 Shadow Dragons. I don't know that if it fair for you. I think it's fair for you. I want that. What he said? Why is so quiet? Oh my god, did he scared or something? Don't scare or afraid with me. Huh? Oh, wait, why? Oh, a candy cannon. Oh, thank you. Actually, I don't want candy cannon. I want it, but I don't want it for my Mega Turtle. I love my Mega Turtle than a toy. Toy only can shooting a candy eating free, but I know that is a years ago, so it's so rare than a neon frost, then giraffe, then shadow. Let me try for the rich guy, shall we do? I think we have to change the word now. I'm wasting time. Okay, now we are in another server, and also I'm gonna set trading for T-Rex for Rose Dragon because I need that for the currency. Let me just try to. Oh my god, he lên cái bọt phèn. Wait a minute. Oh my god, everyone just listen what I'm gonna do. Water. Oh man, hi. I can boo your house. I'm recording. I record video. No. I don't wanna. I have to finish my mission, YT. I don't have a lot of time to boo your house. You can do it yourself. It's not that hard. I just want to see what people observe for my dodos and T-Rex. They're so adorable with the charming fairy. Oh, sure. Oh, okay. I try on another empty pet. Because this video for kind person. Not for unkind. But it's fine. It's okay. Okay, so I think we have to change server right now. Because no one kind of us. It's real bad because okay, that's really nice. Yeah. It's fine. I can try on another. I record voice. Yeah, it's fine. I can try another. I record voice and not. Okay. How about we try on the guy with oil? And sorry I ruined your video, but oh my god, it's fine that you ruined my video. It's fine. It's okay. Let me try on this girl if you are going to be kind for us or something else. Then I could give away some more pets. Oh, hi though. Oh my god, these are all you no one except the trade. What about I make them neon? You're gonna go to different server? Oh yeah. See ya. My YT name, my YT name. Oh my god, I hate adopt me because it can't. Oh, he's always tagged. And no record still. So you can check out. Aww, thanks for love my turtle, but it's not for just first. Because I already have a day for it. Aww, thank you. How about for dodos? I don't. Just a one server is take me to a 10 minutes. I have to stay. You did not let me finish. Oh, I'm not really the first pet. Yay! Then why I love Fuzzy Pet? Anyway, let me just go buy the mic. Oh, it's okay. I don't know why they hate Fuzzy. Anyways, there's no one kind on me exactly. Let me just finish the video instead today. Okay, did you make the turtle? Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. It's mega. It's take long time. You can go to see in my channel. It's too rare. Okay. And let me try again. I'm not recognize it. Don't forget to check out and rest out. Also subscribe and say something in the comment section down below. Oh my god, forget to put the name. It's Shelly. I would love Shelly so much. Hehe. Aww. She has a turtle too. That's so adorable. Anyways, bye. So guys, I have to end video because there's no more time. Yeah. I believe you got. Yeah, I believe in my life. Okay, if you're guys enjoying and wanna see more videos that I'm training, make sure to click the subscribe button. Also say something in the comment section down below. And thank you, Mina, for trading me and talking to me. But it's okay. Anyways, I'm so enjoying this video. So let's see in the next video. Bye. Shelly, say something because we have to end the video. I'm so cute that please subscribe and like. Okay, Shelly, stop talking now. Everyone was scared about you. Anyways, bye. Let's see you in the next video.